little astronauts. Let's count our space friends. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
One little planet, round and bright. Two little planets in the starry night. Three little planets spinning around. Four little planets without a sound. Five little planets floating free. Now let's count them, you and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six little planets flying so high. Seven little planets in the big dark sky. Eight little planets around the warm sun. Nine little planets shining bright for everyone. 10 little planets zooming, having fun. Let's count more, it's so much fun. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! Look at all these amazing space friends. The universe is so big, and you are so smart. One day, you will build rockets and travel to the stars. Always keep dreaming, little astronauts. Now, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.